Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, welcome back. I am super pumped about my phone. You said what? Oh, because I thought an unbox iPhone said hurry up and unbox me. Knowing me, I get to dropping this before it's even unboxed. So let's just get into it. As you can see the title of this video, unboxing the 12 Pro K Max or the 12 Pro Max iPhone, however you want to like style it or whatever. This is an unofficial unboxing. I realized that people are very meticulous in the way that they record these videos. I can appreciate because I've watched 13 videos since the iPhone 12 Pro released a night. It's just gotten me super excited about this moment. So when I watched these videos, I was like, I have to have my reaction on camera. Technically, you're not supposed to see me. You're only supposed to see the phones. The way my setup is set up, I don't know how to do that. I'm rambling. Anyways, I'm gonna do as much of the phones in front of my face as possible so it could be like you're just seeing the phone. You get what I'm saying? Technically, an unboxing is you just looking at my hands. So I went through the motions. I even like painted my nails just because I wanted this to feel like I wanted you to feel the love. I literally haven't posted because I have no storage on this phone at all. Who better to share this moment with than you guys? Because guys, I'm recording. Hello? This is a momentous occasion because right now what I'm working with, no, I'm recording. I'm gonna decline. I'm so sorry. Stop. The malfunction is going on. Games. What was I saying? So yes, I've had the iPhone 10. I'm getting confused. iPhone 10 Plus Max. iPhone Max 10 Plus. The iPhone 10 Plus a Max. Hold on, okay, let me go back to my first picture and then I got this phone back in 2018. Just know that in my heart that I want you guys to feel that I'm being so serious about this unboxing. As you can see, this is the box. A lot thinner than like the average box. I don't know, it feels like 3 pounds, maybe a pound. That's a piece of information that I don't know is very useful, but enough is enough. I only got one shot, but let's just do it. You guys, all right, take your fingers and like, let's put it right here. Lift that. You do it. I don't want to do it. Here we go. Whew, my heart. This is too much. Okay, should I watch? Just let's pull. Ooh, it's happening, it's happening, it's happening. No. Oh, it's done. It's done, y'all. So the case looks like this. I will say it feels like a puzzle. Like I feel like movement and sound. It feels like cardboard on the inside. So I'm gonna pull this lid. That just sounded like, okay. Look at that. Oh, let me not do that before it slams out. So we went, as you can see.